Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use SAP Cloud for business operations, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your SAP Cloud for business operations account. Enter your credentials in the provided fields. Once logged in, you will be directed to the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and capabilities of the dashboard. Locate the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Business Processes to view available modules. Select the module that aligns with your operational needs. For example, choose Order Management if you wish to manage customer orders. Within the module, explore the available tools and features. Identify the Create Order option to initiate a new order. Fill in the required fields such as customer details and product information. Ensure accuracy in data entry to avoid processing errors. Once all details are entered, click on the Save button. The system will confirm that the order has been created successfully. Next, navigate back to the Business Processes menu. Select Inventory Management to monitor stock levels. Review the current inventory status, including quantities and locations. To add new stock, click on the Add Inventory option. Input the necessary details about the new stock items. After entering the data, confirm by clicking on Submit. Monitor the notifications area for any alerts related to inventory. Next, you may wish to analyze your business operations. Return to the dashboard and select the Analytics tab. Choose the type of report you want to generate. Set the parameters and date ranges for your analysis. Once configured, click on the Generate Report button. Review the report outcomes displayed on the screen. Use these insights to make informed decisions for your business. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.